Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best-smelling laundry detergents for removing stench that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Dead Downwind Evolve Field Spray. Now, this one is a little unique because it's not your conventional laundry detergent, but rather a powerful scent eliminator designed for outdoor enthusiasts and hunters. The standout feature here is its enzyme-based formula that targets human odors at the source, making it ideal for anyone who needs to eliminate tough odors, whether in clothing or gear. Plus, it's environmentally friendly and safe for sensitive skin, which is a huge bonus. Design-wise, the spray bottle is highly portable, making it easy to carry during field trips or outdoor activities. The 24-ounce bottle comes with 2 packet refills, giving you a total of 48 ounces of odor-fighting power. The formulation is gentle, containing no biocides, and is designed to be kind to both humans and the environment. In terms of performance, Dead Downwind excels at eliminating odors rather than masking them, which is a critical distinction. It's particularly effective for removing sweat and outdoor smells, but less versatile than the other detergents in this lineup, since it's primarily geared toward hunting gear and outdoor use. If you're the outdoorsy type, this product could be a game changer. However, its limited use case means it's not the best choice for everyday laundry needs. Pros include its portability, eco-friendly credentials, and powerful odor-eliminating formula. The cons? It's not a full-fledged laundry detergent and might not be ideal for larger laundry loads. At number 4, we have the Bays Washing Machine Cleaner and Deodorizer. Now, this product takes a slightly different approach. Instead of being a traditional laundry detergent, it focuses on cleaning and deodorizing your washing machine to ensure your laundry smells fresh every single time. This is a crucial product for those dealing with musty or sour-smelling laundry caused by residue buildup in the machine. The design is straightforward, featuring a 24-ounce bottle with a simple spray mechanism. It's cruelty-free and Leaping Bunny certified, which means you can feel good about using it. The enzymes in the formula are powerful and specifically designed to break down odor-causing residues in your washing machine. This product is safe for both HE and conventional machines, and its lightweight spray application makes it easy to use. Performance-wise, Bays excels in keeping your washing machine clean and odor-free, which translates into fresher laundry. However, it's not a standalone solution for washing clothes. It's more of a maintenance product for your machine. The pros include its eco-friendly formula and effectiveness in eliminating machine odors. The cons? It's not a laundry detergent and requires a separate product to actually wash clothes. If you're dealing with persistent laundry odors due to a dirty machine, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the activewear laundry detergent and pet odor eliminator combo. This product is a powerhouse for active households, combining a 3-pound powdered laundry detergent with a 32-ounce enzyme-based spray for pet stains and odors. The laundry detergent is specifically formulated for activewear, making it ideal for fitness enthusiasts and anyone with sweaty workout gear. The enzyme spray, on the other hand, tackles pet messes, making this combo perfect for active families with pets. The design is highly functional. The powdered detergent comes in a sturdy container, while the enzyme spray features a convenient trigger mechanism for easy application. Both products are made in the USA, and the detergent is plant-based, which is a nice touch for eco-conscious buyers. The citrus oil scent left behind by the spray adds a pleasant freshness. In terms of performance, Active delivers impressive results. The detergent removes sweat smells and tough stains from fitness apparel, while the enzyme spray works wonders on pet accidents. It's versatile enough for tackling workout clothes, pet bedding, and more. However, it's not the most convenient option if you don't have pets or activewear, as it's tailored specifically for these use cases. Pros include its powerful stain and odor removal abilities and its dual functionality for workout gear and pet messes. Cons? The powder detergent may not be as convenient as liquids for some users, and its niche focus might not be suitable for everyone. At number 2, we have the Gain Plus Odor Defense Liquid Laundry Detergent in Super Fresh Blast Scent. Gain is a household name, and this product lives up to the reputation, offering a powerful 3-in-1 formula that combines odor elimination, deep cleaning, and lasting freshness. With 88 ounces per bottle and a pack of 5, you're looking at 440 ounces of detergent, ideal for heavy-duty laundry needs. The design of the bottle is ergonomic and easy to handle despite its size. The formula itself is made with 100% renewable wind power electricity, which is a big win for eco-conscious buyers. The Super Fresh Blast scent is bold and invigorating, leaving your clothes with a noticeable freshness that lasts for days. It's safe for use in all machines and water temperatures, and works well on all fabric types. Performance-wise, Gain scores high marks. It eliminates tough odors, even those embedded deep in fabrics, while providing a thorough clean. The scent is long-lasting, making it perfect for anyone who loves their laundry to smell fresh and vibrant. While it's highly effective, the heavy fragrance might not appeal to those who prefer unscented or lightly scented detergents. Pros include its powerful cleaning capabilities, eco-friendly production, and large quantity. Cons? The scent can be overwhelming for some, and the large bottles might be cumbersome to store or pour. Finally, at the top spot, number 1, we have the Out Pro Wash Workwear, Stain Remover Laundry Detergent and Odor Eliminator. This product is a game changer for anyone dealing with tough odors and stains on work clothes, uniforms, activewear, or even pet bedding. The standout feature is its ability to eliminate odors completely, rather than masking them with heavy fragrances. It's unscented, which makes it ideal for those who prefer neutral-smelling laundry. The design is compact, with a 22-ounce bottle that's easy to pour and store. Despite its size, the concentrated formula offers up to 26 loads per bottle, making it both efficient and economical. Out is compatible with standard and HE machines, and it works on a wide range of fabrics including cotton, fleece, nylon, and spandex. Plus, it's made in the USA and comes with a satisfaction guarantee. In terms of performance, Out excels at removing both odors and stains. It's particularly effective on hard-to-treat fabrics and items exposed to sweat, smoke, and cooking odors. This versatility makes it the best choice for anyone looking for a reliable, no-frills detergent that gets the job done. The pros include its odor-eliminating power, versatility, and satisfaction guarantee. The cons? The bottle size might not last long for larger households, and it's not scented, which may be a downside for those who enjoy fragranced laundry. Overall, Out Pro Wash is a top-tier product that delivers exceptional results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.